guys, good morning once again. Today, I saved my beer. Do I look handsome? Hey, welcome back. This is your favorite YouTuber, Lungnim XYZ. Today video gonna be very interesting, very entertaining, very refreshing and very exciting thing. I myself and with some of my friends, we are going to go and test Manipur street food, and also we're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna go roam some place. We'll see. Thank you so much for clicking into my videos. It is so hot here outside. Ooh! It's so hot, hitting on a sunshine. I cannot my brain already. I'm waiting for some auto to go bazaar. Wow. Finally reached Imphal Bazaar. Yes, my friend is calling me. I hear that, but I'm ignoring him. I'm so tired. Coming from Octo, see, there is a lot of traffic. Standing one place again, another place again. Yeah, I'm so tired. Damn, man. Yes, this is my friend. Here is my friend Adin and also my friend Zhang. So excited, no? Very handsome. Very handsome, right? They're really handsome.
Really handsome, right?
Yes.
But I'm not handsome with you.
Two most handsome guys taking photo right now. You can see. Two most handsome. The most handsome in Manipur. Look carefully their face. They're taking photo for Instagram. Oh my god, yes. Wow, look at his shoes. Look at his shoes. That was brand Adidas. Wow, oh my god. Yeah, bro. Yes. Here's my friend, Mr. Luke. He's so tall. I don't know what happened. I don't know what he's eating. Thank you. We bought ice cream, 5 ice cream. It costs only 50, dollar eating. So happy. Yeah, very delicious. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go now. Right now we are standing on the Imphal and we are going to explore it. We are going to go in and check what are the things they are selling. We are going to go in. So come on, follow with me. Hi. I think this type of market in India exists only in Manipur, where the only women are allowed to show. This is one of the unique market, I should say. Yeah, really beautiful. Aray bhai. I'm Bahubali. I'm going to help you, yaar. Don't worry, man. They're a little bit surprised, because they didn't ask me to help. I'm just coming pushing. What is that wrong, bro? Aduh, chana sa kilo ko. Hana si sage. Aduh, hao di ko. Aduh, masag. Hao mali ne kise. Why? Ini sao? Fantastic. Manipur met. Manipur met. Dambo. Adin. Lo, awesome, delicious.
Hello, XYZ. How is this?
Right now we are eating chana, and this is chili. We are also eating aloo sa with chana. It feels so tasty. This is the Manipur street food. Adum yeng hai bina sini kya ra? Ngam tadi.
Oi na gini. Untuk kya naman nando? Left side.
Left side kira.
Right side. Mana kemo ya? Ligo at
7,000 rau de ni. 7,000 brother.
That's good.
7,000 hai ra.
7,500.
7,500.
Yamaha pama jo lai.
Hai jai to. What about this one, this type?
This one.
This one.
This one is
Chennai भी लाभ नहीं तो है है ये तो बड़ा XYZ po है
connection lai.
Ato asi electric yaw se picture lai ko.
Sili kitang size.
Oh, size thiam hai thong thiam ma ne hoi ne ni. Oh, taro. Oh, de ka ro ni. Right now we are on the campus of DM. Tạm người chứ nè. Friends, we are about to eat watermelon here because it is too hot now. You want to eat watermelon? We'll see. We'll eat watermelon. Look, Look at me, look at me. La 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 la. Run, I run. I sing, I sing. Ready, 1, 3, sao?
Đi bạn tôi rồi. Muang ngamai ta.
Liền không? Mình nhảy đi. Vậy đúng không? Nhắm luôn. Chuyện nữa. Khăn cái là Instagram là tổ thập. Ready, 1, 2, go. Liền không? Nhiều bài liền không? Okay friends, right now we finished eating watermelon and we're just coming out. You see here a handsome guy. His name is Imphal, my friend, one of my best friend. You follow him on Instagram. I'll give the link on my description. You follow him. He's a very handsome. Look at his here. A rare type of handsome, you know. It's very unique. Not like your Oppa, okay? This is totally unique kind of beauty. So thank you very much. Bye, Lungnim. हेलो दोस्तों, वो बंदा बहुत लंबा कर रहा है.
बंदा नहीं भाई, भाई बोलो ना, ये भाई है तो.
ये मेरा भाई बहुत लंबा है. क्यों, क्या खाता है भाई? तुम्हारा इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ा करो ना भाई.
हाँ, मेरा
इंटरव्यू थोड़ा करो ना. क्या क्या खाता है और क्या क्या करता है, एक्सरसाइज क्या क्या करता है भाई?
सुनो ना, क्या है, धीरे धीरे बोलो ना. वो मेरा गांव में क्या बोलता है, खुई बोलता है ना.
आप
ज्यादा खाने से बहुत लंबा हो जाता है तो.
और तुम्हारा हाइट कितना है?
मेरा हाइट तो ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 5.8 समथिंग.
ओ 5.8.
हाँ तो
5. अच्छा. वो तो हमारा एरिया तो बहुत लंबा समझता है ना.
हाँ, लंबा समझता है.
अच्छा.
12 आदमी समझते हैं.
तो मेरा हिंदी को क्या
तेरा हिंदी.
क्या बोला? क्या बोला? वो देखा है, वो मेरा दोस्त है ये.
आर्मी से रिटायर.
क्या अरे यार.
बोलो.
ये मेरा सबसे बड़ा दोस्त है और वो बहुत ताकत है. वो बंदा बहुत
बंदा मत बोलो ना.
वो भाई बहुत ताकत है.
Due to the ongoing pandemic, we are not allowed to spend more time inside here, and also we are insist to wear face masks everyone who went inside here. So I'll see you some.
Friends, I come back here safe and sound. And if you are not subscribing to my channel, please do subscribe. That will be a wonderful to me. And also, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope God may bless you continually. Thank you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. How do I express it?